Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dennis International, and today I am with someone special, my brother from Uganda. He came all the way from Uganda to see the beautiful Nairobi. So guys, we are going to walk around and show you the city. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like if you are new, please be sure to subscribe. He is also a YouTuber. Yes. He has a channel name called
Osi the Bone Child.
Yeah, Osi the Bone Child. I will link the channel on my description below. So guys, I'm going to show him around the city, Nairobi, how beautiful it looks. As you can see, the city is very beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope Osi the Bone Child will enjoy the views of the city.
I'll let you know definitely. And I'll be in the comment section, read your reviews.
Oh, I'll also pin his channel on the comments, so be sure to check that out so you can subscribe to his channel. We want to take Africa to the next level, and we have to work together, and I hope you guys will support us on this journey. So also, he is not alone, he came with someone. I would like her to introduce herself.
Hi, my name is Faith Kindhearted, and you're much welcome to Dennis's channel.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we are going to walk this way. Oh, we have our friend here.
And we have an old boy, if I should say.
Yeah.
This is a brother who has been helping me out over here. He also helped, like, until I found Dennis. So guys, say thank you for me in the comment section to this Maxwell over here.
Okay guys, we are going to just walk.
Yeah. Street even?
Yeah, it's a street because it's a road.
No, let's give that as a challenge. Yeah. Somebody who knows.
If you know the name of this street.
If you're Kenyan
and
you're already seeing this,
yeah, and you know
please
the name
comment the name below.
Yeah, actually it's very beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful streets in Nairobi. Yeah. So if I can just show you around, you can see it's beautiful. The roads are paved. The walkways are very beautiful.
Yeah, actually,
so
it's a large walkway. Yeah.
How does Nairobi feel different with Uganda?
No, Nairobi to me was not different until I was trying to communicate to some of my Kenyan friends, you know?
Yeah.
It was just not different because I see the business is like the same.
Yeah.
But I want to ask it to you actually.
Yeah.
It's different in a way that people are making me feel scared of Nairobi, but I came with a positive vibe.
Like it's not safe or something?
Yeah, they're telling me it's not safe.
Yeah.
Though I've not gotten a problem yet.
Yeah.
Maybe because I'm being super protective and careful.
Yeah.
But otherwise, the rest are same, like busy as Uganda.
Yeah.
We all drive on the same road. I like we keep the same. Yeah, we keep the same way.
Yeah.
While driving. We all keep left.
Yeah.
So far so good. But you know the difference? Talking from the perspective of a Ugandan,
yeah,
I'm seeing Nairobi is a little bit more developed than Kampala.
Yeah.
I don't know if a Ugandan out there can come and disprove me, but yo, look at these. Yeah. So there is a lot to surprise me.
Yeah.
Almost everywhere.
Let me ask you. You have traveled outside Kenya and Uganda, like you have been to Rwanda,
yeah,
Tanzania. About the people, what differences do you have, like even Uganda and Kenya?
Yes.
The cultural differences, how we welcome people. Is there any big difference between Ugandan people and Kenyan people, or even Tanzania and Rwanda?
I should say yes. Like Dennis, you are one of a kind. I sent actually this message as a challenge.
Yeah.
Before coming here, I wrote to many brothers in the same field or sisters.
Yeah.
But it is you who was quick to respond. Actually, when you sent me a message, I was like, where are you coming from? Where did you come from?
Yeah. Me?
Yes.
Ongata Rongai.
Ongata Rongai. Yeah. So I asked the person who I was with, where is this person? And told me, this is very far. So like you coming from all that far to meet me was exceptional.
Thank you.
But some people who are just telling me I'm in Nairobi, when I told them I am now in Nairobi, yeah, they have blue ticked me and they are not showing up.
Yeah, many
So
YouTubers.
that is the difference, because if you come to Uganda, we have even a group. You
Yeah.
are much welcome anytime you come to Uganda.
Yeah.
You will find like 50.
Yeah.
Sorry about the noise, guys. Like you will find like 50 of us
Yeah.
just waiting for you the moment you say, hey guys, I'm a YouTuber, I'm a content creator, and I'm coming to Kampala. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the difference. That you are just one of a kind.
Yeah.
Uganda,
Thank you.
we are very welcoming. I
Thank you,
think
man.
Dennis over here is a Ugandan, but he doesn't know.
I think
Yeah.
I will come to Uganda sometime. I have to
just
go to
welcome.
Uganda.
You
Yeah.
just welcome.
You know,
here.
one thing I always encourage on my channel
Yeah.
is that we Africans have to stick together.
Sure.
We have to support each other, because we can't depend on the West forever.
Definitely. Like,
Yeah, we have been depending on the West for a very long time.
It's actually
and-
us
yeah,
to show like the beauty, the positivity within us.
of our countries.
Yeah,
and,
like-
and what we have.
Yes, we have a lot, brother. You know.
Yeah. So guys, we're in Nairobi city. I'm just showing him around. The city is very beautiful. It just rained. And my friend here is enjoying. He's just enjoying Nairobi. So I'm showing him around Nairobi. We are exploring the city. I know this for sure is Mwindimbingo Street. Hi.
Hi. I'm
So-
shooting this.
Osi the Bone.
That one is Osi the Bone Child.
Yeah.
I'm Faith Kind-hearted.
Yeah, I was going to say you came with him.
Yeah, we have
Yeah.
been traveling all along.
They have been traveling together, guys.
From all the way from Uganda
Yeah,
up to here.
yeah. You have gone to different cities, right?
Yeah,
And
we
countries?
started with Rwanda, that is
Yeah.
Kigali.
Yeah.
Then from Kigali to Dar es Salaam, that is Tanzania. From Tanzania to Zanzibar. From Zanzibar to Moshi. We had to come back to that, then to Moshi. Then
Then to
here we
Kenya.
are. Yeah.
So, guys, as you can see, what I always encourage on my channel, I always tell Africans we have to visit our own countries.
Of course.
Not every time we just have to go to Europe or the US. We have to support ourselves,
Tell them that Africa
improve
is-
our tourism, so
Like,
we can.
No, the thing is,
Yeah.
when the whites come here,
Yeah.
they show the bad side.
Yeah.
Now for us, we want to show them that Africa has a lot of beauty.
Exactly.
They haven't discovered, they haven't seen. That's why we are doing Africa.
Yeah.
And maybe when we go there, we also show them the bad side of them.
One day when I come to Uganda,
Okay?
I hope you guys will show me around.
You are welcome. Like, you are welcome. Even if you want to go with us now.
Guys, I don't want to go to Uganda, but I have plans with my another friend.
Okay.
We are going to go to Uganda, Rwanda, and Tanzania, or any of the three,
Okay.
because I want to start traveling. I want to show people that
It's good. It's good.
African
to travel.
countries, we are not just what you get to see on the TV.
Yeah.
We are more than that. Just look at the streets, guys. This is what they don't show you. They want to show you a chaotic city. They want to show you a city that is very filthy and dirty.
I'm very sure Africa will have some of the cities which are very, very clean. Modern.
Yeah, yeah, we even have some cities in Africa that are cleaner than cities.
Go to Rwanda, Kigali, and say something.
Yeah.
It's super clean, like super clean. I've been there. I can testify. Go to Dar es Salaam, like Tanzania here. When you talk of beaches, go to Zanzibar and you'll be like, wow, is this Africa really? So
There was a guy I knew. He's from the US. He actually told me that Los Angeles has some very, very dirty parts. Actually, it's a very dirty city, and
Of course, but
homeless
for them,
people
they can't
everywhere
show
and things
them.
like that. But you guys, when we watch movies about LA and something, they just show us beautiful beaches, beautiful cities.
But now then,
When they come to Africa and Kenya, they want to show us, they want to show Africa very dirty parts, people dying of hunger, poor people. I'm not saying entirely those don't exist,
yeah.
but apart from those, we also have this
No, like what they
beautiful
show
cities.
is
Yeah,
30% of what we have.
yeah.
So the 70% is,
Yeah.
is what they don't show you.
Yeah, what they don't show you is way better than what they show.
That's why I say they show you 30, they leave the 70.
And I've realized they always use those kind of images because they have NGOs in Africa. So that they start NGOs in Africa, they get some money. Then after they get some money, then
they take to their country.
yeah, they don't even help us. So it's time Africans we help ourselves.
Okay.
So I think we are going to walk this way.
Okay.
So hey, I think we are going to go this way.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure this is Mwindimbingu Street. This one, and this one is Kenyatta Avenue actually. So this one is Kenyatta Avenue.
So we are in the heart of
of the city. Yeah. So this one is Kenyatta Avenue. This is Mwindimbingu. So I think we should go this way. So guys, this is Nairobi.
It's actually very
Yeah, you can stand with her like. Yeah. More this side.
Yo, we have a director who's telling us everything. Continue to cross.
Yeah.
Yo, this is me walking on a red carpet because I'm a VIP here. So this is my red carpet, you guys. And I am much welcome once again to Nairobi.
Yeah. This is the Nairobi they don't show you.
Yo, sure. This is bad. A humble request to our government. Please let us shoot in peace.
Yeah.
Because we are portraying this beauty. Who is there to show this?
No one.
If another
It's up
person
to us.
comes here, they will try to go to the ghetto. They
Yeah.
will try to show the worst life. Yet indeed we have this. How beautiful streets.
A Ugandan having fun in Nairobi. That is how it should be. Africans, we have to start enjoying what we have.
It actually
to-
feels good
Yeah.
to come to a place like this and know we have brothers, we have sisters. I'm happy that I chose this industry.
YouTube.
Yes. Content creation in general,
Yeah.
like at least is bonding us.
Yeah. Oh guys, also we are going to talk about he lost his channel, so subscribe. We are going to talk about that in our next video.
Yeah, there's a possibility someone was an old subscriber.
Yeah. I'll link his description on his channel on my description so you guys can go support him. He lost his channel, so he started over with a new channel. Getting subscribers from scratch is a very hard thing.
Very hard.
Yeah, he had over 20,000 subscribers. Right now I have 20,000 subscribers, so I would imagine.
So you know how it feels.
Yeah, to start from scratch. And one of the hardest things to do is starting a new YouTube.
You post a video and you refresh and think maybe my data is off.
And you don't get views.
Because you see the same views you had.
So this is the amazing city, Nairobi city.
I'm actually very happy we came on a day like this.
Yeah.
Everybody look calm. The city is safe now. The sun is coming out. I think it is it's very light.
Guys, this is the city you don't see.
I and M.
You know, the funny thing is, I can easily get arrested for doing this.
But it's worth it.
You know,
there are crimes we do.
Yeah,
We are really not doing something wrong.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
Not anything, because we are not offending anybody. We are showing the positive side
Of
Nairobi.
Yeah.
And it is me as a guest being shown around.
From Uganda.
Someone will not understand that as crazy.
Yeah.
Because if you get a visit, of course you show them around the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Wish really that can change.
So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Like this video, that will help a lot.